What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you the best settings in Dying Light 2 to boost your frame rate, fix lag and improve your overall in-game performance. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While in your main menu, navigate to your options and navigate to the video tab. First, you can change the overall graphics quality option from high to low or medium quality. These options will largely depend on your available resources, and I will set them according to a low-end PC to get the highest performance to play the game. When you can utilize a decent graphics card, then set this option to medium, otherwise set it to low. Below, set the window mode to borderless and not full screen. This might sound counterintuitive, but it has helped fix lag and stuttering for a lot of players. Set the resolution option to your native monitor resolution. Your native or original screen resolution is shown with a star behind it to make it easier for you to locate. Next, disable the vertical sync option unless you experience screen tearing. The upscaler mode option can have a lot of impact on your performance, as it can help you upscale your in-game resolution and help you get a much higher frame rate. In case the DLSS quality option is available to you, then make sure to select it. This will use your graphics card to upscale the graphics quality and help you get a more stable frame rate. Another good choice would be the FSR quality mode. Quality simply means that the game tries to leave you some good visual quality while getting more FPS. For low-end PCs struggling to run the game, it's suggested to set this option to DLSS Performance or FSR Performance. Below, change the screen's brightness with the gamma option slider. This will have almost no impact on the game's performance. Most players like to disable the film grain effect, but this will be up to your preference. Make sure to adapt these settings while in-game to see what works best for you. I like to completely disable motion blur, but it might help you look around while in-game. The motion blur quality setting will blur your image when looking around while in-game and can make it easier on the eyes for some players. Lastly, in your basic video settings, enable the colorblind mode in case you're colorblind. In order to further optimize your Dying Light 2 settings, make sure to navigate to your advanced video settings when using the F key. Here, set the renderer mode to DirectX 11 or 12, depending on what is available to you. In most cases, you will want to choose the highest DirectX version. Don't bother using the ray tracing renderer, as you don't want to reduce your frame rate to 0 when enabling ray tracing on a low-end PC or laptop. In case the game chose the wrong monitor when launching the game, then make sure to enable the asynchronous compute option. Otherwise, leave it disabled. Change the game screen size option to reduce the graphics quality of the game, but in turn drastically increase your performance. This option will have a lot of impact on the visual quality of the game, so make sure to reduce it by a bit to see the difference. For low-end PCs, set this option to around 95 and play the game to see how much it helped. Below, you can change the upscaling sharpness. The default value should be 45, which is a good start. Some players prefer to use a sharpness of around 30. The field of view option will have not much impact on your performance. This option will show you more or less of the observable world, and I like to set this option to around 11. Next, to get the most performance, you will want to reduce all of the next settings to a minimum. Especially your anti-aliasing quality should be set to low. Set the sun shadows quality to PCF, which will get you more performance when rendering sun shadows. To get a bit more immersed while in-game, you can increase the reflections quality to medium or high, as it will not decrease your performance by a lot. The game might need to restart to apply some of these changes when you're done, and you should experience a much higher frame rate when playing Dying Light on your PC or laptop. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.